In this video, I'm going to show you how to track UTM in Tally form. Now, the first thing you have to do is to add hidden fields in Tally. So to do this, you want to open your form, then you want to go and add a new box. So I'm going to go down here and add a new line, and you want to click on the plus button to add a new block. So in here, you want to go to the top and type in hidden, and there we go, you have hidden fields. Click on it and click on insert. Now inside hidden fields over here is basically where you have to rename the field label to match the UTM parameter you want to track, okay? So this could be like UTM source, UTM medium, UTM campaign, or whatever you're doing, okay? So for example, I'm just gonna go with a UTM over here and then campaign. Okay, just like this. So let's say this is the one I'm trying to track. And then whenever you do that, of course, make sure this eye icon is like this, so it's crossed. And that's basically how to track them. So we can now go and publish this. And if I go to the preview mode, as you can see, that field is hidden. And of course, what you can then do is basically generate your custom tracking link. So you can just go to the settings cogwheel up top. You can go to share. And then over here, you can basically find your link. So you can copy this. And you can use an online tool to basically make your URL. So you could use something like Google's campaign URL builder, and you can then paste in the URL, and of course you'll be able to fill in the campaign parameters over there. Okay, so that's essentially how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.